Okay, a question. Well, it's actually a Bootstrap Studio question. It's called not quite an animation, but could you provide a tutorial on Parallax, please? This is from the video I did a little while ago called Animation Themes in Bootstrap Studio. I've actually spelled studio wrong there. I didn't notice that before. Anyway, Parallax scrolling. So here is from Creative Block. 15 great parallax things. The actual definition of parallax is not really how many websites are. So this is 15 of the awesome websites here. Myriad is here, which you're probably the most famous out of these ones. Personally, I don't like the site. That's just my personal opinion. I don't think it's anything over. Firewatch, I looked at this and I couldn't see anything parallax or anything about it, and that might just be because they've changed it or something like that when this was written. This reminds me of a John Martin painting where the about the Welsh bard, but it's not quite that. It might be based on that, but anyway, going down here, a few of them I tried out. My favourite one was this garden studio here, so I've just showing you. I'll show you this one. So what happens here is this menu here, I'll show you. This goes like that and then it stops there. Whether that's actually parallax is another matter, but it's what I would call parallax, but I don't think it's the true definition. Anyway, I've been doing an update on my website. Okay, so this here is the background image, and if you just do that about, then that goes like that, see? And if you just go back up to that, then you see it's scrolling like a parallax type of esque thing. Anyway, so how that is done is I'll put the thing about Creative Blog. I think these are who make .NET Magazine in the UK. Also, some of you in America as well might have it as well, because the post over there too. With .NET Magazine, I always tend to think that they get the leaders in the web industry, and it doesn't matter how rubbish or something that they may do is, they seem to think it's great. So I reserve judgment on some of them things, even though I do get the magazine from time to time. Okay, so offline, it really doesn't matter about whether this is Bootstrap Studio or any other thing. It's the same principle, and all it is this here, and it's you would assume that you've already got your background image and everything like that. Also, we no point in having parallax. Okay, so this here is the background attachment fixed. Okay, so just zoom out of there, and this is hang on a minute, wrong one. Is this, no, that's online, and this one here is offline. Okay, so this is offline version. Okay, and this is how it works. So again, it's just about like that, portfolio, and then go down and then back up to the background image there. So what you're doing is you just take this out, all right, and then just save that, and doing that again. So right, here we are. So if you just do like press click that about, okay, that's going with all the scroll just like it normally would. All right, so that's without the background attachment fixed. You put that in, and just throw this in a minute. Attachment, and then you just put it in fixed. Okay, and then this should work again like it did before. Okay, Right, you see how that's different. It's just you know, that's what happens. It just sticks, whereas the other one, it just flows like the rest of the page. So that's basically how you do it. Okay, so that's a scrolling parallax. So again, thanks for watching and thanks for listening.